Hey besties, welcome back to the channel. If you're just seeing me for the first time, hello, I'm Anita Akoja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a skincare lover, then you're in the right place because on this channel, we talk about skincare, beauty tips, affordable skincare routines to help to give you a beautiful, flawless, radiant, and glowy skin. All right. So if you love skincare, do well to hit that subscribe button, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, drop your comments for me, and also share this video. For my returning subscribers, thank you guys, thank you besties for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you all. So in this video, I'll be sharing 5 vegetables rich in vitamin C for collagen to help to give you a healthy and glowy skin. If you're wondering which vegetables you can eat to help to to help your skin, to give you a glowy skin without you breaking the bank or without you spending a lot of money on skincare, you want to go on natural collagen to help to replenish or build or smoothen your skin. You want to have a healthy skin, all right? You want to have a healthy, flawless, glowy, and fresh skin, but you want to do it in a natural way, then this video is for you. Don't go nowhere. I got you. I got you. So please sit back, relax, watch this video and watch it to the end because I'll be sharing details. I'll be sharing these vegetables, the best way to take them to bring out that vitamin C from them and to give you collagen to beautify your skin. So that's what I'll be doing in this video. So let's not talk too much, all right? Let's get straight into the video. Number one on my list. This number one, I love it so much. I eat it all the time. I love it. I eat it. Is broccoli. Broccoli is a high vitamin C vegetable. Very high in vitamin C and is best for skin health. Broccoli is best for your skin health. Why? Because it contains vitamin C and antioxidant. What does antioxidant do to your skin? They help to fight free radical. They help to protect your skin. It also contains vitamin C. Vitamin C, what does it do? It helps the formation of collagen in your body. Broccoli also helps to keep your skin firm and youthful. So if you're taking lots of broccoli, it will help to firm your skin. And what does firming of skin mean? It helps, that means it's giving you like a youthful look. If your skin is not sagging, if your skin is firm, then you get to look youthful. Broccoli helps to repair your skin from damage, and it also helps to fight dullness. If you're experiencing dullness, it helps to clarify your skin and fight every dullness from your skin. So best way to take broccoli is when you stir fry it. That's the best way because it doesn't like much heat. It doesn't like much heat. So if you want to take it, you stir fry it or you blend it. Add it to your salad. When you stir fry it, you add it to your salad. It's best taken when it's light cook. Don't cook it heavy. Don't cook it too much. It doesn't like too much heat, all right? So it's like cabbage. It doesn't, if you heat it too much, it melts. So you don't enjoy it. So you enjoy it when it's halfway cooked, when it's just steamed. Maybe you steam it and add it to your salad, or you stir fry it and you eat it with your maybe spaghetti, eat it with your rice, just make it like or make it, add it to your sauce or something. But the best way to take it is to cook it halfway, just slight cooking, light cooking, not heavy. Don't cook it. It's best when you stir fry it. That's the best way to take it. Anytime I stir fry it and I take it, oh my god, it's delicious. It's super delicious. I love broccoli. So all broccoli lover, if you love broccoli like me, please comment. The reason why you shouldn't overcook it is so that you don't destroy the nutrients. When you overcook it, you destroy the nutrients, you destroy even the taste. You will enjoy it when it's overcooked. You enjoy it when it's stir fried. So the best way to take it is don't overcook it so that you don't destroy the nutrients in it. Number 2 on my list is carrots. Carrots is rich in beta carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. So beta carotene is what the body converts. When you take carrots, because it contains beta carotene, the body on its own converts it to vitamin A, which supports the formation of collagen. What vitamin A does to your skin is that it helps to repair your skin, it helps to improve your skin glow, your overall skin glow, and it also helps to reduce dullness on your skin. So if you're having dull skin It helps to reduce dullness. If you're having skin damage, it helps to repair skin damage, and it helps to give you like a glowy skin. Carrot is very good for the skin. It's a natural way to get vitamin C that will help to improve your skin. It's a natural way to get collagen that will help with your skin. So that's why most skincare products contain carrots in them, because it contains carotene, which is good, which helps with the formation of collagen on your skin. And the best way you can take it, if you don't want to use it on all the skincare, you don't want to spend money on skincare products, but you're looking for an alternative, a different way, or a better way, or a richer way to get a healthy skin, or to improve collagen, or to look younger, or to have a firm skin, or to reduce dullness from your skin, the better way is to take carrots. Eat lots of carrots. And it will help to improve your skin. It will help to fade away dullness from your skin. It will help to improve overall skin health and glow. It will help to smoothen your skin. It will help to give you a healthy skin when you eat carrots. All right. So the best way to take your carrot is to eat it as snack. Yeah, you can eat it as snack. I do that a lot. I buy carrots, much of it, when I want to make jollof rice or fried rice. After putting it in my fried rice or jollof rice, sometimes I still eat it. I buy much of it so that I can eat as snack and also use it in my meal. Add your carrots to your food. You can stir fry it and add it to your broccoli. Add carrot and broccoli. I do that a lot. It's nice. Add carrot and broccoli together and eat. So you're getting like super double action. You're getting vitamin C from broccoli. You're getting vitamin A from your carrots, which helps, which is, this is super double action that helps with your skin. So stir fry your carrots, or you can blend it. You can make carrot smoothie. Yeah, you can add it with other fruits and veggies and take them. And carrot is super, super good for your skin. Number three is beetroot. I love beetroot. The color I love. In fact, everything about beetroot, I just love beetroot. Why? Because it is very good for your skin. It's amazing for your skin glow. Why? Because it helps with blood circulation. Beetroot help with the circulation of blood in your body and in your skin. When blood flows improve in your body, your skin will naturally look radiant and healthy when blood is flowing all over your body. So when you take beetroot, that's what it does. It helps the circulation of blood in your body, which also helps your body to look more fresh and radiant naturally. So when you have enough blood circulation in your body, it helps your skin to naturally look more radiant and glowy at the same time, and you'll be looking fresh because your blood is flowing and circulating. So that's why you need beetroot. So if you've been underestimating beetroot, I think beetroot is one of the fruits, one of the veggies that are really honestly underestimated. People underestimate it. They just see it and they don't really, no, people don't really go for it because they just feel like, but honestly, don't, anytime you see beetroot, go for it. Don't underestimate it because it tastes so good as well. Even the leaf. I eat beetroot. I don't just eat the beetroot, I also eat the leaf. You can use it, you can blend it, blend beetroot and the leaf and take it together. Like you will enjoy it. You can, and best way to eat beetroot is to eat, you can eat it fresh, you can eat it raw, or you can even blend it. You can eat it raw, blend it, or you can, halfway cook it, stir fry it as well. So that's the best way to eat it, to get all the vitamins. But when you overcook it, you lose the vitamin in it, especially the vitamin C, because it contains vitamin C. Beetroot is high in vitamin C. So when you overcook it, you lose the vitamin C. So the best way to take it is even to take it fresh. Take it raw. That's where you get like the full vitamin C in it. But even when you stir fry it, it brings out more nutrients in it when you stir fry it. Great way to detox. Beetroot is one of them. So if you want to detox fast, take beetroot. Beetroot will help to detox your liver. It helps to detox your body. And when you detox your body, it reflects on your skin. It definitely shows on your skin. Do well to take lots of beetroot. So it helps you detox and it helps to reflect on your skin. Number four is bell peppers. I love bell peppers. We have the three types of bell peppers. We have the red, the yellow, and the green. The best one to take is the red one. You see that red bell pepper, and it's even the most expensive. It's the most expensive bell peppers you can find out there. And it has the most nutrients, which is vitamin C. Bell peppers are the red bell peppers, specifically the red bell peppers are high in vitamin C. All right, these red bell peppers are high in vitamin C and they are the best to take when you want to take bell peppers. All right, so it's good to take whole of it. All right, it's good to take the 3 bell peppers, but the best to take, or the one to take more because it contains high vitamin C in it, is the red one. All right, so take note. Specifically, the red bell peppers are great for collagen production. It helps with collagen production. It helps to brighten. You see those red bell peppers are very good with brightening. They help to brighten your skin. They help to protect your skin from free radicals. To help to repair your skin. It will help with collagen formation. It's great for collagen production and formation because it's high in vitamin C, and it will help to repair your skin if you're having damaged skin. How to take your bell peppers? You can slice it and add it to your salad. You can also, stir fry it and add to your meals. If I want to prepare like chicken curry sauce, I use like the major ingredients in chicken curry sauce. I even have a video where I show how to prepare chicken curry sauce. So if you've not seen that video, check it. How to prepare chicken curry sauce. Best way to eat it, you use it with your chicken and make chicken curry sauce, or you slice it and add to your spaghetti, or you can add it to your sauce. You can add it to any, just use it to cook, but don't overcook it as well so that you don't lose the nutrients in it. All right, it is high in vitamin C. So when you overcook it, you're losing your vitamin C. So please just cook it lightly, cook it slightly. Let it be like the last thing you add when you're cooking. When you add it, off the fire and allow it to steam. Steam will cook it. You can also add it to your salad and eat it fresh, eat it raw. If it's in your salad, mix with your salad, you don't really feel the taste. So that's the best way to take your bell peppers. Last on my list, number 5 is cabbage. Cabbage is high in vitamin C and it also contains sulfur compounds that helps to support skin health and clarity. So it helps to clarify your skin, helps to support your skin health. It helps to give you a healthy, smooth, and refreshed skin when you take lots of cabbage. The good thing about cabbage is that they are highly affordable. It's everywhere. It's highly affordable. Any kind of cabbage, any one you take is good for your health. All right. So make sure you take lots of cabbage and them to your meals. Best way to eat your cabbage is to eat it raw. You can eat your cabbage raw. You can add it to your salad. You can blend it and take it as smoothie. You can use it like Nigerians, we use it for swallow. You can use your cabbage as swallow. You eat it with your soups. Best way to eat it. You can also stir fry it. Like for me, I stir fry my cabbage with my broccoli and carrots, just to get all the nutrients in it. Then another way is to steam it. Steam it, please. Don't cook it. Cabbage doesn't like heat. We all know that if you overcook cabbage, like you don't get the best taste out of it, and you lost all the nutrients when you overcook them. So make sure you just steam your cabbage and eat, or you stir fry it, or you blend it, or you eat it raw, add it to your salad. These are best way to eat them, and they're super delicious. You all agree with me, right? Which one you love, or which one you're not used to taking? Like take it regularly. Let it be like a routine for you. I hope you know anything about skincare. It has to do with routine. So if you want the best skin for yourself, then you have to eat this veggies as a routine. Eat it daily or eat it weekly, any whichever way, but make sure you eat it all the time, every day or every week. Do it. With time, you notice that your skin is you're looking younger, you're looking fresher because you're getting enough collagen naturally from your foods, from your veggies. All right. So for more videos on how to look younger and have a glowy skin, watch this playlist. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you find it helpful. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Thank you all for watching. I'm Anita Akoja, and I'll see you on the next one.